We are live and direct, folks, with another trade recap today. So we have got two trades to go over. Number one, a 3R banger on AUD/USD, and then number two, a -1R loss on EURUSD. I did end up taking both of these, and we're going to break them down in today's video so you can learn something new about the tap and barrel model. So let's get me a bit smaller here because you can see me anyway. Step one, we're obviously looking at the hybrid. Okay, so these were two hybrid trades. Ignore all the jargon on my screen. Let's just take that off. So we looked at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. Looking at the last 5 candlesticks on the daily time frame. Looking at the distance from the open of the 5th candle to the close of the first. Bullish distance. So we were bullish on the daily on EURUSD. Then we are looking at significant highs and significant lows. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and reset the count. So we had to move on. And we move on to the different move, which was 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All significant here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1 hour. We were to the upside in this case, okay, which was here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In this case, in this moment, okay. Let's go down into the lower time frame here, where we took out, and I'll just enable the TMB indicator for this because it's going to be easier. And if you want to get the TMB indicator, bro, just DM me on Discord at Berg68. That's my username on Discord, and then I'll add you onto the waiting list, mate. Okay, I release 3 spots every week. Anyway, so we had London low taken out. We had the fake out zone generated because the first bullish candle was formed. Fake out was tapped as well, pretty nicely there. And then we're waiting for a break of structure to the upside, which happened right here. And then our entry was as follows. So fib on the lower of the move to the higher of the move. We got tapped in right here. And then we obviously just held to TP or stop loss, and it ended up hitting stop loss today. But at the same time, we did enter AU as well. So AU was as follows. So I'll do the bias on AU now. Let's go on to the daily. Same exact thing that we were doing on EU for the hybrid here. Last 5 candlesticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, bullish regardless. Distance from the open to the close. 4-hour time frame. Really easy read here as well. 3 significant highs. 3 significant lows in a row getting raised one after the other, as well as the highs. And then the 1 hour was the same as well. Reconfirmed many times here to the upside. Looking at lows of previous session taken out. Boom. Low taken out, fake out zone tapped, first bullish candle formed. We put that fib tool on previous plus current session range. So if you don't know how to do the fake out, it's like so. Creates the fake out zone. We tap that fake out zone, and then we're waiting for a break of structure. Break of structure was here. And we got tapped into the Goldilocks, and we set and forget. Now this trade was a 16-hour in the slammer trade. A lot of people took out a break even because they got scared. We ran up to about 2.5R and then reversed into stop loss, and you'll see how this plays out here. Vital mistake from people that took the trade out early here, because you just never do that. You just never do that. You hold till TP or SL unless there's news or the weekend, and there was neither. So should have held. And then the people that did hold got rewarded. People that are flaking, thinking that it's going to get reversed on, you just can't predict price action. You just don't know when that positive volume in your direction is going to come. Nobody can predict it. And that is why I held to TP. Boom. Straight to the dome there. So at the moment, the standings on the data, 48.9R up on the hybrid, I'm 7R up on the LRV, and I'm 15.9R up on the London Mech. So I'm about 70R up this year, give or take. So we're doing pretty well, crushing it. All the VIP boys are fucking smashing it. I'm so glad that everyone's now taking the right trades. Chris, big up Chris for passing that 100k FTMO. He's also just passed another 100k FTMO, but phase 1, so he's still got phase 2 to go. Ben's just passed another account. Dave has just passed another account. Joe's literally up on his funding already. Jay Hyatt's finally passed an account after missing loads of wins. Phase 2 in the dome, done. Keelan passed another account. Leon's passed another account. Rio's just gone and got a payout. Chris, that's his 100k there. Leon's passed another 50k phase 2. Rio's passing more. I could go on and I could go on. There's no point because you guys see it every day. We've passed over 3 million in funding in the last 35 days with the VIP pretty much. So, you know what I'm saying. Boom, boom, boom. Trade recap done. If you want to apply to live trade with us and join our elite trading group, first link in the description or second link in the description below, and we'll get you in there ASAP. Peace, love, and unity, everyone. Have a good rest of your day.